Limoneira YouTube channel. My name is Megan Roosevelt and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, the founder of Healthy Grocery Girl, and spokesperson for Limoneira's One World of Citrus. It is the month of July and it is getting hot outside, so we have some cool, hydrating, and refreshing recipes to share with you this month. Of course, in the month of July, it's also the 4th of July and the month of summer grilling. Today I'm going to share with you how to make these really delicious gluten-free lemon cake stars with yogurt and fresh berries, perfect for 4th of July parties. To make this cake, you will need juice from a Limoneira lemon, almond flour, cassava flour, baking soda and salt, coconut oil, maple syrup, vanilla extract, and eggs. For the toppings, you will need Limoneira lemon zest, Greek yogurt of choice, fresh strawberries, and fresh blueberries. Begin by whisking all of the dry ingredients together. Then, in a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients. Combine the dry with the wet ingredients and mix well. Pour the cake batter into a greased baking dish. You will want to use one with a volume around 3 liters so that the cake is not too thick. The pan I'm using here is 7 by 9 inches, which is 2.6 liters. You want the cake to be thin so it's as close as possible to the same height as your cookie cutters. Then bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Once the cake has fully cooled, remove from the baking dish and use star cookie cutters to cut out your shapes. Top each star with a dollop of yogurt, fresh berries, and lemon zest, and enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to look for sustainably grown Limoneira Citrus next time you head to the grocery store. And you can also stay connected with us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for more citrus-inspired recipes and DIY projects. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Keep cool, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!